You're not born ugly. But chances are you're slowly making yourself ugly without even realizing it. Every single day, most men are stuck in 7 silent habits that destroy their face, kill their confidence, and age them twice as fast. The worst part? You don't even notice it happening. In this video, I'll expose those 7 habits and show you the simple fixes to look sharper, healthier, and more attractive. Starting today. 1. Touching your face. Every time you touch your face, you're transferring dirt and bacteria straight onto your skin. Scratching, rubbing your eyes, resting your chin on your hand, it adds up. Result ? Pimples, oily skin, clogged pores. The fix: keep your hands off your face. Wash more often. The less you touch, the cleaner and sharper your skin will look. 2. Chewing on one side. Sounds harmless, right? But if you always chew on the same side, your jawline grows uneven. Over time, this creates asymmetry. And symmetry is one of the biggest signs of attractiveness. The fix: switch sides. Train yourself to chew evenly. Your jaw will stay balanced, your face sharper. 3. 0. Sunlight staying locked indoors makes your skin pale, your eyes dull, and your energy drop. Sunlight isn't just for vitamin D. It boosts testosterone, mood, and that healthy masculine glow. The fix: 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight a day. Go for a walk, train outside, or just step onto the balcony. But don't forget sunscreen. 4. Poor sleep. Bad sleep doesn't just make you tired, it makes you look tired. Dark circles, puffy eyes, a dull face. Long term, it literally ruins your skin and jawline. The fix: 7 to 8 hours, consistent schedule, no screens before bed, sleep well, and your face repairs itself every night. 5. Too much caffeine. 1 cup is fine, but if you're surviving on 3 to 4 coffees a day, you're dehydrating your skin, ruining sleep, and killing your natural energy. The fix: limit it. 1 cup, max. 2. And drink water with every coffee. Real energy comes from food, sleep, and training. 6. High stress. Stress floods your body with cortisol, which ages your face, lowers testosterone, and ruins your skin. That's why during exams or tough times, you look more tired and break out. The fix: manage stress, train, meditate, take walks, hang with friends. Calm mind equals stronger face, sharper presence. 7. Blaming genetics. The ugliest habit of all: excuses. Most guys hide behind bad genetics instead of improving. But the truth is, 80% of your looks are in your control. Diet, sleep, training, grooming, style. These transform your appearance more than you think. The fix: stop blaming genetics. Start building yourself. Unlock your true potential. That's the 7 habits secretly making you uglier. Fix them now, and in weeks, you'll look sharper, stronger, and more confident.